Hello, in this video I've been requested by California Fire Department Videos to react to his video Trucks and Construction Vehicles in San Lorenzo. So I'm excited to watch it. He is a fire buffer in Northern California, but this time he's getting into the world of construction vehicles, so I'm very excited. Without further ado, let's get started here. Now, I want to know the different, all the different types. There's like excavator and other things, but that's a nice one. But yeah, I want to get familiar with all the different types of construction materials one of these, or construction vehicles one of these days. That's a nice catch right there. Another nice one, SMC. Okay, and I like that one too. Oh, Christmas trees. Yeah, they're starting to do that over here in Southern California too, set up those, so quite excited every year to see those going up. And also the Christmas decorations that's starting to fill parking lots now. Okay, a nice semi-truck, tractor trailer, ABF freight. Nice. Now my grandfather's brother was a truck driver, semi-truck driver, until he had a stroke, unfortunately, back in around 2002. But he was a Navy veteran, just like my grandfather. I believe I've seen those trucks before over here in SoCal. So, yeah, excellent videos here. Yeah, that's a neat one. I got a nice air horn there. Looks like you have a plane in the background, a small plane. Cessna, maybe. That's neat. That's kind of my specialty with plane spotting, so... Okay, now that's a neat one too. All of these are neat ones. And is that a three-wheeler? Is that a street sweeper? Wow. Whoa. Hey, and correct me if I'm wrong, is that a fire station back there? I'm not sure, but it'd be neat if you have a catch there while you're filming this. That'd be neat. That'd be epic. Oh, Round Table in the background. Yeah, I used to go to Round Table in Fountain Valley before. Okay, that's neat. A cement vehicle. Okay, got a few there. That's nice. That's neat. Okay, well, an excellent little change, breaking the monotony there from fire buffing. I really enjoyed that. Construction vehicles, living in a suburb of a metropolitan area, well, that's what my history teacher said, but living in Costa Mesa, Newport Beach and such, I get to see a lot of construction vehicles all around, so I kind of grew up seeing those. They're very, very neat marvels, actually, so... Anyway, I will leave a link to the original video in the description below. Again, I encourage you to check out California Fire Department Videos. He is a very nice YouTuber. A lot of them are very nice. So, again, I encourage you to support his channel. So have an excellent day.